Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to share tasks in ClickUp. First of all, just open your ClickUp software. Alright, now go to your space and go to your task and click on the task. And here, go to assignees and type the person email over here. Alright, now click on invite and here. Alright. As you can see, you can change them from member to limited member, guest or admin. You can also change the permissions from full edit to edit, comment or view only. After that, just click on send invite and you will be good to go. Now if you want to share the whole list or whole space to the other person, just go on top right corner and click on share, and here type the person email, and the process will be the same like the one I've showed you before. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.